And move now to a story I couldn't believe when I first saw it, about a mom who went way beyond the call of duty to help her sick boss, donating her kidney to help keep her boss alive. In return, she says the boss fired her. It's all in court now, and ABC's Dan Harris is here with all the details. Good morning, Dan.
This is a wild story, isn't it? Debbie Stevens is out of a job and out of a kidney. She portrays this as the ultimate betrayal, arguing her boss used her, then turned around and fired her.
You know, the crazy thing is that I actually feel ashamed.
Debbie Stevens, a divorced mother of two, says she feels ashamed and humiliated by her decision to donate a kidney to help her former boss. Stevens used to work at the Atlantic Automotive Group, a billion-dollar company that owns car dealerships around Long Island, New York. In September of 2010, she says she offered to give her kidney to Jackie Brucia, one of the company's higher-ranking employees who was sick and needed a new kidney to survive.
It's just part of who I am. If I worked with you and I found out that you needed one, I would offer you.
Turns out Stevens was not a match, but the way the National Kidney Registry works is that if Stevens decided to donate her kidney to somebody else on Brucia's behalf, her boss would move up on the list. Stevens did it, and both women had their surgeries. But when they both got back to work, Stevens says her boss turned on her.
It was pretty bad. Yelling at me all day, every day, picking on me, scolding me, belittling me, berating me in front of business associates.
According to Stevens, when she complained to management, she was first transferred to another office far from home and then fired.
This company should have recognized this and protected me, taken care of me, instead of just throwing me away.
Stevens is now suing. That's her lawyer next to her during our interview. Atlantic Auto Group issued a statement saying Stevens has used her own generous act to make up a groundless claim and that she was treated appropriately and fairly.
I refuse to let this make me have regrets. I won't.
So interesting. She says she still has no regrets, but she does have health problems from that surgery. And as we said, she's now planning to sue. George, back to you.
Okay, Dan, thanks very much.